Excellent. You're here at last. Excellent. You're finally here. Apologies. After the disaster struck, falling rubble blocked the route to the platform. At the time, I was tending to the wounded in the hall. By the time I realized I should start the train, it was already too late. I'm trying my utmost to re-establish communication with the conductor.
Don't be too hard on yourself, Mr. Sunday. The Astral Express isn't going to fall apart that easily. If it were me, I'd have chosen to save people first too.
Collapsed passageway buried the express. Well, then we'll just dig it out.
Thank you. I'm fine. The sight of the demon capital unsettled me. Shall we resume planning our next course of action?
I'll go check the damage to the passageway. We'll need the express if we're going to fight Asa Pramod.
Mr. Ashvale, before that, a monkey gentleman arrived here with refugees from Dovebrook district. Perhaps you know him? If you have the time, please speak with the people stuck here. While tuning can ease their inner emotional turmoil, it cannot blind them to the calamity in front of them. The fear within them must be illuminated by hope. And right now, you, the one who once triumphed over Full Wish and saved them, are the most fitting choice. You too! Both Mr. Yang and Don Hung have returned safely.
That bird arrived just in time.
You did well gathering everyone here. I'm sure you ran into your share of trouble along the way.
Yes. Blade told us everything on the way here. We now have an overall picture of the arrival of the apocalypse.
They're the heroes who stopped Full Wish during the live stream!
Oh, we won't end up buried here! It's them! We're saved!
Perhaps you should say something. Even if they wake. Even if it shatters with a touch. Even if I know it to be fake. I would still hope to weave them a dream in this very moment. Is this me repeating the same mistake? Funny, isn't it?
The Astral Express is only stopping here temporarily. We will repair it. Bring everyone on board. And leave this ruin behind. So please, trust me.
My sincere gratitude. Because now, there is not only terror in the wish power around us, but a thread of hope as well.
Now then, it's time to discuss the next phase of the plan. What exactly did Himiko leave at Graphia Academy?
A double meaning?
And the obstacles that once felt impossible to conquer will soon be behind you. And along the way, you'll find companions who are just like you.
Ignite the Express's engine is definitely a tad too dramatic if Himiko just wants us to rescue survivors with the Express.
What was she implying?
If that's the case, we need to get ready as soon as possible.
It'll take some time to clear the passage to the Express. Sunday, do you have a way to contact the conductor?
The distance does not pose a problem for tuning. However, my birds must first lock on to the conductor as their target. I will do my best. Please, excuse me for a moment. Good news, everyone. The conductor is safe and sound. My bird has located them. I am able to share what the conductor is seeing. A moment, please, while I inform them of the situation.
Any progress?
Yes. The conductor says they have locked on to a weak gravitational wave and are decoding it.
So, Asat Pramad is a Lord Ravager that observes and imaginates possibilities. When people saw the Lord Ravager's descent, they were gripped with fear, despair, and everything else that comes with an apocalyptic end. Those very emotions fed this catastrophe and made a possibility become reality.
Build a crowd, then defeat Asat Pramad in front of them. That's the easiest way. If we somehow witness all his possibilities, then he would collapse into just one being due to the effect of observation.
General, do you require my cooperation like during SparksyCon?
That's right, Mr. Sunday. I would like you to expand the range of your tuning.
You mean to determine the future of Asat Pramad through observation? But, as I recall, as your observation expands, it will anchor the fate of this world.
Observation is... I want you to become my eyes and look for me. The fate Asat Pramad imaginated is imminent, and there is no path for the future in it. Only Ishvara, only observers with sufficient strength and personal freedom have what it takes to make choices that trace the path to our future. I also need a place with a good vantage point. Something like a towering structure.
How confident are you in this plan succeeding, General?
I'll fight by your side too. Even if there is only half a chance of success.
I will do all I can to ensure you two remain connected through tuning.
Then, Dan Heng, March, and I will clear the passages as soon as possible to ensure the Express can depart.
And myself, Shi, and General Yao Guang will force the collapse of Asat Pramad's clones, granting us a way to his true form.
Thank you, Sunday. Before you boarded the Express, you said that you didn't understand trailblazing. And yet, you have fought alongside us in the most dangerous moments of our journey.
No, Mr. Yang. I should be the one thanking all of you. Before boarding the Express, I was just a traveler looking for answers. You all taught me to trailblaze and walk the stars. To hold fast to the hands of those around me when facing difficulties. It is my honor to be able to provide assistance.
You really look like one of the Nameless now.
So...
We're here.
No need to pray.
Humanity will reach the end of the... Even the stars are not the end. They're a new beginning.
In reciting the creed of the Nameless.
And no matter how bleak the cosmos may get, light up the night.
Pulverize!
The Astral Express has taken down another Lord Ravager.
Himeko!
But are you okay? Just now.
That was the Stellaron inside you, wasn't it?
Thank you, everyone. Sunday, I'd like to have a proper chat with you. As the Do you hear the laughter of the people? The wish power cast upon you has dissipated. Your blood-stained games are over.
But being your father to what's to come, protagonist of the Stellaron will shift the cosmos' fate onto a different trajectory. Then I shall await with anticipation.
Something's not right.
The cracks in the earth are spreading. How is this possible?
That is, if you can make it out of their maw with everyone still breathing. No.